people, I'm Priya and I hope you all are safe at your places. So in my previous video, we learned simple present tense and now it's time for learning present continuous tense. Okay, the next subcategory of present tense. And if you haven't watched my previous video of simple present tense, then please go and have a watch. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. See, present continuous tense actions, it includes actions which are going on at the time of speaking. Like while I'm speaking to you, at this time, whatever activities and actions are going on are included in present continuous tense. I hope I'm clear to all of you. Okay. So here in Hindi, these sentences end with रहा हूँ, रही हूँ, रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, and all. Okay. And when we come to the rule part, the rule for affirmative sentences are those sentences which are simple statements. Okay, there is no not and no question mark anywhere in those sentences. So let's get started with the rule of affirmative sentences. Firstly, we have to put subject plus the helping verb is or am or are, then verb's first form, then ing plus object, then full stop. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Where to use is, where to use am, and where to use are. So we use is with he, she, it, name, or any singular subject. Okay, whereas we use am only for I. Okay, like I am eating my meal. Okay, and are, we use are for the plural subjects. Like firstly, it's second person you, then third one we, they, and the plural subjects. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. We always use is with he, she, it, name, and singular one, and am with I, are with you, we, they, or plural subject. I hope this is clear to all of you. So now it's time to have some examples. Okay, so here our first example is Ram school ja raha hai. Okay, so this is the name of a person. Okay, so here with name I ask you guys to use is, right, as helping verb. Okay, so we are going to use is with the subject here. So Ram is, then verb's first form ja raha hai. Okay, so here go, and with that ing we had to use. Okay, so Ram is going, then the object part, to school, full stop. Okay, if I'm saying मैं school जा रहा हूँ, then here मैं means I. Okay, so with I asked you guys to use am. So here you have to say I am going to school. And if we talk about the other examples, so here it's tum school ja rahe ho. So here we are going to use you, and with you we have to use are, right? So you are going to school. So this one is subject, this is our helping verb. Okay, this is main verb plus ing, and this is the object part. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now it's time to look after the negative sentences. Okay, so firstly we have to know this, that negative sentences are always those sentences which carry not. Okay, so here the rule for those sentences is firstly we have to mention subject, then is or am or are, then after the helping verb we have to mention not here, plus verb's first form, then ing, then the object part. Okay, so here let's have an example. Ram school nahi ja raha hai. Okay, this is carrying nahi, so because of which this is negative sentence. Okay, so we are going to put the subject first, Ram. So after Ram, the subject we are going to put the helping verb. Okay, so Ram is the name of any person because of which we are going to use is. Okay, so Ram is, then not. Okay, nahi. Ram is not, or we can say Ram isn't. This is the contracted form of is not. Okay, Then the verb's first form, go plus ing, going. Then the object part, to school. I hope I'm clear here. And there is one more thing. See, the contracted form of is not. Here I have to mention this. We can write is not as isn't. Okay? Are not, aren't. But what about am not? Is there any contracted form for this? Yes or no? We don't know, right? So let me tell you this. We have to write here are not. Okay? For this also we have to write aren't. Okay? Like if I'm saying I'm not going to school and I want I'm not to be in the contracted form, then I surely will have to use aren't instead of saying am not. Okay? If you are thinking of having a contracted form of am not, then instead of saying anything else, we have to say aren't. Like I aren't going to school. Okay? I told you in my previous video that we have to put the helping verb at the very first only when we have to answer someone in yes or no category. Okay? Yeah, the explanation can follow afterwards. But if we don't have to answer them in yes or no category, then for surely we'll have to use that WH rule, okay, in the interrogative sentence part. As if someone will ask me here, like using this rule, is Sita going to school? Kya Sita school जा रही है? Then my answer will be yes if she's going and no if she isn't. Okay. So, and after this, I can explain the reason as well. But the firstly, the answer is yes or no, right? So, here, jahan pe answer is yes or no, I have to use this first rule, okay? And if the person is asking me, where is Sita going? Then, surely I'll have to explain the place without saying yes or no, because yes or no makes no sense here, right? There's no need of saying yes or no, right? So here we are going to use WH family. So this is the very basic and very important thing. Don't get confused, okay? And just keep it in your mind. So yeah, let's again come here. For the interrogative sentence, we are going to use SMR, the helping verb at the very first, then subject, verb's first form, ing, object plus question mark. Only we have to use this rule only when the answer is going to be in yes or no. And then WH family is MR plus subject plus verb's first form plus ing plus object plus question mark when we have to explain the answer without saying yes or no. I hope this is clear to all of you. Let's move on to the another part here. In the part is interrogative negative. Okay. So the rule says we have to put the helping verb first, then the subject, then the not. Okay. Then verb's first form, ing, object and question mark. Okay. And this rule is going to be there only when we are just asking someone with a negative thing. Okay. Like if I'm asking, क्या सीता अपना खाना नहीं खा रही है? Okay. So is Sita not having her meal? Okay. Question mark. But here, instead of saying this politely, if I'm saying that strongly, like सीता खाना नहीं खा रही है क्या अपना? Okay, या फिर क्या सीता अपना खाना नहीं खा रही है? In anger, okay? So here we will use isn't, aren't for am not, okay? Because there is no contracted form of am not, that's why I have written aren't here, okay? Then aren't for aren't, subject plus verb's first form plus ing plus object plus question mark, okay? So here I'm going to use isn't she having her meal? क्या वो अपना खाना नहीं खा रही है? See here, I have strong feelings, okay? And I'm angry, because of which I'm using this rule. So always, always, always keep this in your mind. I hope today's topic is clear to all of you. The rest of the things about the tense we'll study and I'll tell you in the next video. Till then, please take care of you, your loved ones, be at your places and be safe.